now today is the 18th of September 2020. Here's Kartanontie 8, Staircase B, Järvenpää, Treskentan, modernized Finland. And here you can see this bunker. It's in Swedish and in Finnish. It has to be everywhere in Finland.
Yeah.
In both official languages in the whole of the country. They have to write it like when it's an emergency. It should be in both languages, regardless of the language situation. And this is a Semag built in 1989, turned 30 years old in last year, 2019, and the serial number is 51653. And it's got 5 floors here. Because A only has 4 floors.
Yeah.
And it's going to be inspected in 2022. Love the breaking sound. That was pretty nice. I really expected these elevators to be road hydraulic, but they're traction.
Yeah.
But traction is even better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. There is another residential building beside this one where it's Koniam, but on one of it they're modernized with generics. And we have to get inside the other one.
Yeah.
We don't know when it was done. But it could have been some time ago. Maybe that elevator that they modernized had some sort of weird troubles.
Yeah.
But still a very bad modernization.
Espoo kiva Espoo, meidän vai Espoon hissi.
Yeah. And maybe it was Espoon Hissi that did it there.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it's the same maintenance.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what is generic. Espoon Hissi is very common with generic in Finland.
Yeah.
Or at least here in Uusimaa. So I think Espoon Hissi did it. But
Yeah.
for some reason didn't do it in the other one.
Yeah.
Didn't you do it yet? Hopefully not. If
That's
I will get there.